This is our pet. It's a male. So it's locally called Mutiara, but it's in English it's called the guinea fowl. It has a female partner, but the female partner succumbed when its one and only chick disappeared, perhaps eaten by a predator. So this is our bird cage, and let's meet Tonking. How are you? To give Tonking. Tonking, you wanna flower? Flower. Hi, Alex. We have cockatiel. Plenty of food. You like this one? Huh. Hello, Alex. Alex is a female Alexandria, and the rest are all IRN, Indian ring neck, whilst the rest are cockatiel. Ouch! That is a male IRN yellow color, and another male gray color. Hello, Alex. They're happy. Cockatiel. It's connected to an artificial pond where there's koi, because this pond is where they drink water. Tonking! Called this IRN group up from young. Ouch! Hello, Alex. Let's start. This is so we can view them from the window. Anyway, that's it for now. Thank you.